All right, well, we're here with the brand new 2024 Kia EV9 SUV. We're gonna go hop in, take a look around the outside and inside as much as we can here at the New York Auto Show. All right, so stick with me and let's drive.
Let's ride.
All right, this, which I'm super excited for, is the Kia EV9, which is a recently launched large family 3-row SUV, fully electric. And it is built on the Hyundai Group's eGMP platform, which is what also powers the Ioniq line and the Kia EV6. So we know it's going to get great charging, probably a pretty good range, and let's go take a look at it. All right, this is the Kia EV9. It is a 6-seater, full family, fully electric SUV. Now it has, since it is a 6-seater, it's got 2 captain's chairs for the second row rather than being a full-on bench seat. One of the really cool things about it, if we can get a closer look, is that the seats actually swivel fully 180 around to make it easier to load and unload, probably make it easier to get car seats in there, and even give you an option to kind of have almost like train style seating where the 4 back seats are all facing each other and help you have a conversation. Now for us that would mean much easier loading, but probably a lot more fights about stuffed animals and coloring books. There will be a 7-seat option, which will give you a more traditional kind of second row bench seat. But for now, they're starting with the 6-seater. Really interesting kind of wheel style here. Very aero wheels that are like blocked off. Probably love them or hate them. Not sure, I'm a huge fan. You've got fully flush door handles here. This also has these massive taillights, LED taillights, which are meant to evoke a 3-way intersection, apparently. This is the GT line. And you can see even the third row here, you have tilting seats. So, good amount of space back here. Say not massive, especially maybe compared to the Rivian R1S. This definitely feels a bit smaller in terms of overall carrying space, passenger space, cargo space. But still a nice option. So you've got a full power outlet back here, 125 volts, interesting, 15 amp, and your tailgate controls there. A little bit of under storage here, just a tiny bit. And seats that fold flat. Looks like power second row seats. And you can see here that this, like everything else built on the eGMP platform, will support vehicle to load through the adapter here.
That's just into the back.
Your charging port, standard CCS. Since this is eGMP, the charging is going to be fantastic. This should charge 10 to 80% in about under 20 minutes for sure. So up in the front here, obviously powered seats, and we've even got a little leg rest that'll pop up here. Fully powered. Be like a nice first-class airline seat up here. And then you've got your 2 12.9-inch screens for media and the driver screen. So these are side-by-side 12.3-inch touchscreens. There's also a 5-inch
and this is like, as an example,
dedicated panel for climate control and physical control. Actually has physical controls built in. This is very close in size to the Telluride SUV. It's 194 inches long, 68.9 inches high, 78.3 inches wide. You have a 122-inch wheelbase. Definitely a lot of space, so very nice seating up here. A nice leatherette kind of feel. And a space here in the console, and like a lot of the other GMP cars, you have this open space here in the driver, between the driver and passenger side footwell, for a little storage space there. It's a room for cups. Wireless charger here, and then here are your physical buttons for temperature controls, volume control, driving and everything.
And so we're pretty excited about
And
that.
we have
Another thing that's really nice, and you
everything here.
have a chance to peek your head in later, is it's very
See if we can take a look at the seats here. And so here are the second row seats, also fully powered, also have a leg rest. Storage space here. And a full back one. And fully powered tilt. Oh, and move forward. So can't be in a big rush to get in the back third row here, but it gets you there. All right, and I decided to take it back. And I'm not sure where the controls are to make it spin around, but we've seen that as well. And you've got built-in sunshade here. Perfect for the kids that are always complaining about the sun in their eyes. And now you make this one spin around. Yeah, I don't know how you do that one. Oh well. All right, well. So look inside of the EV9.
I just called my wife. My wife was like, she wants like you to start with golf.
Just take a look around the front here. So in the front here you have this digital LED face that is meant to evoke a tiger, they say. But definitely a distinctive look, very much in line with the rest of Kia's SUVs. And just a lot of lighting up here. This thing's going to stand out a lot at night, like a lot of the other Kia SUVs do. Yeah, so the lights will actually be animated, have the ability to be animated. So you've got separate LED projector headlights in here. All right, well, that is our first look at Kia's EV9 SUV. Should be a very compelling option for people looking for, fully electric, large size family SUV capable of seating either 6 or 7 depending on which configuration. And I think especially since it's built on top of Kia's fantastic electrification platform, it's going to be great for road tripping. You're going to get good range, and charging itself is going to be super fast and convenient. So I think it might be one that we're going to be looking at. And you do also have 2 LiDAR sensors up here, which will give this nice advanced driver assistance system, allow you to have LiDAR, which will get you much better control over the adaptive cruise control and lane centering that this car is going to bring. Should be quite nice in a car of this size. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that look at the all-new Kia EV9 SUV. Hopefully we'll be able to get a chance to actually get in one and drive as they get a little bit closer to production. And with that, hope you enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe if so. We've got a ton of stuff coming here from the New York Auto Show. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you out there on the road.